Your point cloud might look perfect until your client actually tries to use it, because if it's not classified or cleaned up, it's basically just digital noise. Now, after 20 years in land surveying and testing just about every workflow out there, I finally found a way to go from raw drone data to clean, usable DTM in just a few minutes. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Most drone surveys stop at the visuals. You've seen it. Beautiful orthophotos, dense point clouds, flashy 3D meshes. But here's the thing. Clients don't care about pretty, they care about usable data. They need surfaces they can plug into their CAD or planning software, things like contour lines, digital terrain models, files they can build from. If you're not delivering that, you're just another drone vendor they can replace. It's not that the data is bad, it's that the data is incomplete. You deliver the scan but not the solution. The real value is in post-processing, turning raw data into clean, usable surfaces. That's what keeps clients coming back. And if you ever felt stuck trying to clean up your point cloud or generate contours quickly, there's finally a smoother way to do it. I've been testing DJI Modify and now includes point cloud classification and contour extractions all inside the DJI workflow. No extra apps, no plugins. It just works. Here's how it goes. If this kind of workflow stuff is helpful, I share more short weekly tips in my free newsletter. Real tools, processes, and strategies I use on actual projects. There's a link in the description if you want to check it out. So now you're not just handing over a 10 gig cloud of points, you're delivering a clean DTM, contours ready for grading or planning, something that clients can actually use. Imagine it like this. You're slicing a mountain like a cake at 100 meters, 105 or 110. Then looking down at each layer from the top, that's what contour lines are. They show the shape of the land without having to climb it. Surveyors, engineers, or even hikers, they use this to understand what's steep, what's flat, where it drops off, just from a map. But even clean contours are not enough, because the client might say, can you add the fences, manholes, tree lines, buildings, and structures? They are not just looking for shape, they are looking for finished topographical plan. Contours don't show structures or surface features, and without those, the drawing is still not complete. If you ever been stuck wondering how to go from drone data to proper topographical drawing with everything included, I've got another video that walks you through that exact workflow.